Dear friends, साथियों, I want to share a joke with you. I am one of the 65 lakh voters whose vote right has been deleted from Bengaluru constituency after SIR. Nice joke, no? I was born in this constituency. I lived in this constituency. I had my schooling, college, theatre. And for your kind information, I was an MP candidate of this constituency too. Well, the joke is nice. Game on. Let me see what is the process I have to go through. क्या-क्या कागज दिखाना पड़ेगा to get back my voter ID. Well, game on. But one little word. My friend, you can use your powers to deny few of the citizens the right to vote who may not elect you. But can you stop us, my dear friend, from our power of bringing you down? Just asking. Bye.